This 2026 Winnebago Ekko 23B is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep's 5, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, TV, water heater, awning, smoke detector, refrigerator, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Winnebago Ekko 23B is built on a Mercedes-Benz AWD Sprinter Chassis and is powered by a 2.0L high-output, turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.